What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to add Solana network to Metamask. Well, you cannot add Solana native token directly to your Metamask wallet right off the bat because Solana and Metamask are not compatible. Metamask only supports blockchains written in Solidity programming language, which is the foundation of Ethereum virtual machines, while Solana's native programming language is Rust, so therefore they are not compatible. But in this video, we are going to show you how to achieve this using Binance Smart Chain. So first, go ahead and visit thecoinmarketcap.com. And from here, go to the search bar and type wrapped Solana. So it's going to show you this result. Now let's click on this one. And it is going to take you to wrapped Solana's tokens. Now from here, click on more under contracts and copy the BNB Smart Chain contract by clicking on this icon. Now once that's done, go to your MetaMask account. And from here, click on your network and click Add Network. Now from this window, click on BNB Chain and click on Add. Just click on Approve. Now after that, click on Switch to BNB Chain. And from this window, click on Import Tokens. Now you can paste the contract that you copied earlier in here. And it is going to show you Solana. Now we can tick the box in here and click on Next. And after that, just click on Import. And so there you have it. You successfully imported the token of Solana into your MetaMask wallet using Binance Smart Chain. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.